Hey everyone, it's Ashley from the Art Factory, and today I'm here to show you two of our brand new brushes. This first one right here is our 3/4 inch filbert brush. It's called the Fat Filbert. We love filbert brushes here at the Art Factory. We love to draw with them. Right here I'm drawing a dolphin. You can also use these to fill in large places on face designs and body painting. It's perfect for large designs where you don't want to use a sponge. As you can see, I was able to do all of the shapes for the dolphin with just one brush. And here I've filled it up with some bright tropical colors. And I'm just making short, fat teardrop strokes. And I made a big flower. And now I flipped it over with some green. And now I'm doing the leaves with the same brush. This brush is really versatile. I love that I'm able to do all kinds of different designs with it. And now I've got just solid white on it. And I'm going to do some big, fat teardrop strokes and fill in my space around my dolphin with him. And then if you flip your brush on the edge, you can do thin teardrops with it as well. This is one of my favorite new brushes in my kit, and I think you're really going to love it too. It does really amazing designs and detail work, even though it's huge. It comes to such a perfect chisel point. Love this brush. Our next brush is the small rose brush. It is a really small angled brush. You're going to love it. This is perfect for doing things like one-stroke flowers and things, which I admittedly am not the best at. However, I do know that this brush works amazing, and I know that everyone who does the one-stroke flowers would really enjoy it. As you can see, these are my sad attempts at flowers. But as you can see, the brush works great. It's holding colors perfectly, it gives you perfect chiseled lines, and it's super tiny so you can do detailed work in small areas, perfect for doing flower crowns, princesses, all sorts of things like that. And as you can see, now I've just loaded the brush up with some green, and I'm doing some leaves to go with my little flowers. And the size of the brush makes it perfect for doing really quick, perfect leaves. Now I filled up the brush with a solid color, and I'm doing some dagger strokes. Look how nice and fine those dagger strokes look. They would be perfect for the edge of a butterfly or maybe the edge of a really pretty princess design. I'm able to do thin to thick to thin lines really easily. I also think it would be really fun to do tiger stripes with this brush. It gives you a lot of control because it's so small, so you really feel like you're in charge of the brush. Also, you're able to use it to do these really quick checker print designs and thin lines and thick lines. It's kind of perfect. I really do enjoy it. And I'm going to add details to the flowers using that same brush again. So the flower, the leaves, and the common strokes were all done with the same brush. And I was even able to paint a really cool swirl. Very cool. I hope you'll love this brush too. It's called the Small Rose Brush. It's our smallest angled brush yet. I think you're really going to love it. Check us out at artfactorystore.com and get yours.